Welcome to another segment of this training. I want to explain the remaining two icons at the top. So this first one is just to add sound effect, and so there are some built-in sound effects you can add. For example, I selected this scene and I want a sound effect after that scene. So I tap on this icon at the top, this star icon that looks like star. So you see this, uh, let me call it timeline appears here. Then you tap on this sound effect and you can uh, add tap on one of these sound effects. So you can get more if you want to from this get more sound effect at the bottom if you want to get more sound effect. So but now let's just use the one that's inside here. So let me play it. If you hear something like clapping sound, so that's the sound effect you just added. But although it's not necessary that you must add the sound effects from this side. So yeah, why this other one is you can change where you want the sound effect to be at. So let's say I select the timeline, I slide this thing left, I can shift it to the top, so to play when the time reach this side. So the same thing with music, you can add music. Music, if you tap on this music icon at the top right corner, you can tap on this music here, this part here. Once you tap on it, this music pop-up will come out. You can select a song, but you have to use their inbuilt song, which is quite frustrating. So when you are done is you tap on at the bottom, you see something like GIF at the bottom, this GIF here. You can select it if you want to save your animation into GIF format. GIF means there will be no sound. It just be like picture. So but it's not really necessary. So and when you are recording, please don't put your mouse direct to your mouthpiece. If you check your phone has a mouthpiece, one tiny hole under it. When you're recording, don't put your mouth directly to the mouthpiece so that it will not be sounding like making some crazy, like some noise as if you're talking directly. Just talk a bit far from it, or talk to your screen, but be loud and clear. So when you're done with all your animation, so that's just basically what this whole stuff is all about. If you try saving and the stuff is not working, it's not saving, what you just do is you go back. Once you go back, look for all these follow come animation they have already done. Maybe like this, you can pick this one. So once you load this sample one, all you just need to do is export it. Tap on this yellow stuff here. Just save the video. Allow it to save. Once it's finished loading and saving, you can go ahead and save it. So once you save it, then come back to your own again and save your own. Your own will now save where. So I think it's just a bug with this app. So now I want to save the file. So I'll just start saving it. Let me save that subtitle and allow it to load. Then you just tap on save to gallery. Then you give it a name. My animation. Save it. Then you are done. You can go ahead and make adjustments.